Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bake Bliss Kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to make this very simple tea time snack. So let's get into the video. First, I want to add in the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, salt, some cumin seeds. I want to stir that together. Now I'm going to start adding the water. This is room temperature water. So we're going to add the water bit by bit because we want to make a semi-hard dough. So you add the water little by little and keep kneading until everything comes together. I add a little more water just to make sure we get to the right consistency. The full ingredient list will be added in the description box below, so you can check that out, guys. Still need a little more water. This is a very simple tea time snack that anyone can actually make. With just 5 or 6 ingredients, you make yourself a very yummy snack. So now that there's no more dry flour in the bowl, as you can see in the video, we'll go ahead and add the vegetable oil. We'll knead it together until it is well incorporated. As you can see, our dough is not sticky. This is the right consistency we need. So friends, this is actually my first video in this channel. So please help me, let's grow it together. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends. Thank you. I add a little oil to grease the dough and then I'll cover it with a clean flame. I'll keep this dough to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, so I go ahead to just knead the dough a little bit more, say like 1 minute. Then I divide it. I'll go ahead and transfer this dough to the work surface. I sprinkle a little bit of flour and then I place the dough on it. I try spreading it out with my hands. Then I go ahead to use the rolling pin to roll out the dough. We want this dough to be very flat, so you want to flatten it, make it as thin as possible. So if you are still watching up to this point, please consider subscribing to this channel. This is actually my first video and my first time of making a voiceover. Subscribe to encourage me, friends. You can also tell me in the comment section what you think about my voiceover. Did I do well? I know I'm definitely going to improve. So the next thing I'm doing now is to cut the dough. I'm using a pizza cutter, but you can use a sharp knife if that is what you have. So I trim off the edges. Then I cut it into squares. I want to make a triangle shape snack, but you can cut it into any shape you'd like. And then go ahead to divide the square, so I have that triangle look. So now I'm done cutting it. You can see how flat it looks and really thin. So we'll now go over and start frying it. So in a pan, add in your vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice and heat it up. Then drop the pieces of the dough. I actually drop them one after the other because I don't want it to get stuck together, and I wouldn't want to overcrowd the pan also. So now I keep on stirring it. Stirring it continuously will help it fry evenly. So now the snack is becoming brown. You can see that very beautiful golden brown color popping up. I go ahead to take them out and I'll place it on the kitchen paper towel. The kitchen paper towel will actually help take away excess oil from the snack. So next I'm adding the last batch. This snack is very addictive, and once you eat one you wouldn't want to stop. So I advise you, if you're making this for your family, try and double or triple the recipe, because once you start eating it you wouldn't know when it is all gone. Like, it disappears in minutes, guys. So the second batch is ready. Now I'm taking it out from the oil. There you have it, guys. Our tea time snack is ready. You can see how crispy and crunchy it looks, and it tastes really nice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.